Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy S21, and today I'll show you how to wipe cache partition on this device. Now, before we can start, we will need a cable that you use for charging. You want to plug it into your computer and connect it with the device. From there, pull down the notification panel and tap on the power button right here and select power off. Wait for the device to simply turn off. So once the device is off, you want to hold power key and volume up, both the keys at the same time. Now when you see the Samsung Galaxy logo, you can let go. And this will take you to the recovery mode. And from here, what you want to do is select wipe cache partition using volume keys. So volume down will go down and up goes up. And let's select wipe cache partition and then confirm it with power key. Again, select yes, and there we go. Cache wipe complete, and then reboot system now will be selected by default. So all you need to do now is press power key to simply reboot the device. And this will take us to the Android operating system. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.